Hola, Mama. Hola, Papa. Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Teresa here. And I'm really excited to teach you this lesson because we get to exercise together. And then I'm going to teach you how to exercise with your children in Spanish. And believe it or not, you only need to learn 4 simple words. Okay, and those words are right here on this page that is also included here in the Family Spanish membership site. But I want to draw your attention to the same words that I have here on my board. I'm going to go over the pronunciation of the words with you so that you feel really comfortable saying them when you are doing the exercises with your children. So before we get into the exercises, the first word is the word game, and game in Spanish has 2 syllables. The first syllable is jue, and the second syllable is go. Now the J in Spanish is pronounced kind of like a soft H in English. So try that with me. Say juego. One more time. Ready? Juego. Nice job. Muy bien. Very good. Juego. And remember that whenever I underline a syllable, that means you want to stress it with your voice, which really means you want that to go a little bit higher in intonation. So juego, juego. Now the word for exercises I think is probably one of the more difficult words to say in Spanish, but I'm going to really simplify it for you because I'm all about simple when learning a second language. So let's look at the word. Interesting, it's got a J in there, so we know that's going to have kind of a soft H sound. It also has an accent mark over this I, but I've already represented that by underlining this syllable. You're going to stress that with your voice. Whenever there's an accent on a vowel, you want to stress that part of the word, that syllable. So when I teach Spanish to adults and we have a really long word to tackle, I like to start from the end of the word and work backwards, and you're going to see how easy it is. So let's start with the last syllable, os. Say it with me now, os. There we go, one more time, os. Now let's add on one more syllable, sios. Sios. Say it with me, sios. Now let's add on one more syllable, sios. With me now, sios. Let's clap that, sios. Again, sios. Let's add on one more syllable, working backwards. Ejercicios. 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 And now let's add on the final syllable. E. Ejercicios. Again. Ejercicios. One more time. Ejercicios. You just learned a super difficult word in Spanish, ejercicios, ejercicios, ejercicios. So you can say to your kids, we're going to do ejercicios. And when I teach that word to children, I tell them, hey, I kind of hear the word hair in ejercicios. So when I say it, and they say it with me, we all grab our hair on the second syllable. Let's do ejercicios. Okay, now let's get into the fun stuff. The first ejercicio is walk. Walk in Spanish, we say caminen. And again, I give you the pronunciation key here. Let's read this as though we're reading English. And as I told you before, your pronunciation of Spanish is going to be really good. Okay, here we go. Caminen. Again, caminen. A little faster now. Caminen. Way to go. I love how you stressed the second syllable because that is underlined. The second command or exercise, ejercicio, is jump. And jump we say salten. Salten. Again, salten. Last time, salten. And I tell my kids, I think of a salt shaker. You shake it like that and you're kind of jumping. You kind of jump with it. Salten. And then march is marchen. This is a little easier because it's a cognate, meaning that it sounds and is written very similarly in English and in Spanish, in more than one language. Then you call that word a cognate. So marchen, marchen. One more time. Marchen. Good job. And the last one, we're going to get your kids to freeze their bodies, to stop. We say alto. Say it with me now. Alto. Last time. Alto. Good job. So those are the exercise words that we're going to do together. In the next video, I'm going to show you, we're going to listen to the CD the audio file that you have, the CD, and we're going to do it together. And then in the video with your kids, I'm going to do the exercises with my dog also, because I think they'll really get a kick out of that. So last time, ready? Juego, ejercicios, caminen, salten, marchen, alto. The last little thing I want to tell you is a little grammar point. If you only have one child or you're just teaching one child, the end of this word changes a little bit. This will change to camina, salta, marcha, and this stays the same, alto. So instead of nen, it would be camina, salta, marcha. So this is to one child, one child. But if you have more than one child you're teaching the commands to, then you would say the caminen, salten, marchen. That is just a tad of grammar. I won't go into any details there. We'll do that maybe in another lesson, but I just wanted you to be pronouncing the exercises correctly. All right, we're signing off. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.